is going on, guys? So today we got another car meet. It is actually going through, it's going down. We are letting the cars warm up. Yeah, if you guys remember this Camaro, he's still trying. Yeah, let's see what he's got. So today there is a meet down at in Escondido with I think 858 Mopar is throwing this meet, and we're gonna head down. There's supposed to be a lot of cars there. So first things first, guys, we need gas as always. I got a half a tank, but a half a tank will only get me, it says 70 miles. So we're probably 40 miles from the house. So I can make it there, but I won't make it back. He doesn't want fuel. He wants to be as light as he can be. Trying to get every advantage as he can. I'm gonna fill it up full because I'm gonna need it. You ready?
Yep.
People have been asking me, how does this thing sound with the cold air intake? They want to know how the supercharger sounds. I'll let you guys hear it. So you can hear the supercharger a little better with these cold air intakes that are on here. I mainly did this intake so I can hear the supercharger a little better because of the exhaust. It got it loud, so you couldn't really hear it much. So that was just a little run with me and the Camaro. We were cruising, and you know, that thing is, like I said, I gotta admit, it's pretty fast. It's not a slow car at all. You know, it's not a slow Camaro at all whatsoever. Yeah, there's not that many cars. I was kind of worried about this. I don't know if the rain did this, but I'll show you guys what we got so far. She's saying hi.
Yeah, now it's more like.
What do you guys think of these? So I guess this thing has all kinds of colors you can do on it. This one is the Scat Pack with the 392. So guys, it wasn't a complete bust, I guess. We just showed up late. According to them, they said that a lot of people were here. It went from 11 to 2, I believe it was. But we didn't show up till about 1:30 because of the rain. It was pouring at the house, so we kind of waited the rain out, but it didn't work in our favor. So there wasn't that many cars when we pulled up, but according to the guy that puts this on and runs it, there was a lot of people here.